Today you're on Module 4, Lesson 25. So today you're going to relate math drawings on a place value chart using chips to represent subtraction and the vertical written method. So you're going to really focus on the decomposing. So when you decompose, that means you unbundle to a lower unit. If you cannot subtract, you're going to have to decompose. So you got to go to the higher unit and decompose into the lower unit. So you go from hundreds, you decompose to the tens, which is right here, hundreds to tens, or you go from the tens and you decompose into the ones, tens to ones. You go from hundreds to tens or tens to ones. Okay, so that's what decompose means. Only if you do not have enough to subtract in that whatever place you're subtracting from. So here's our first equation. 175 minus 56 equals So once again, you're using that vertical method. So let's rewrite it. Make sure you line up those digits in the correct spots. The ones are with the ones, the tens are with the tens, and the hundreds are with the hundreds. So now I'm going to use my place value chart and use chips. So I have 100, 7 tens. Don't forget that 10 frame lineup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we subtract in the ones, tens, hundreds. So you know what? I forgot to check one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So always check to make sure you have the correct drawing. So we're subtracting the ones. We have 5. We're trying to subtract 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I cannot do that. So I need to decompose. 1, 10. You regroup for 10 ones. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now you have to show it in your vertical equation. I had 7, I crossed it off, and now I have 6, I had 5, now I have 15. Once you regroup here, you need to show your regrouping in your vertical equation. So now I have 15, I can subtract 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 left over. 6 minus 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 119, and I'm not subtracting anything in that hundreds. Okay, let's do another equation. This time you're going to have 122 minus 89. So let's rewrite that vertically. Stacking up those hundreds, tens, and ones together in both the minuend and the subtrahend. Remember, minuend is the whole, subtrahend is the number you're taking away. Now I need to show it on my place value chart. So I have 100, 2 tens, 2 ones. We subtract in the ones, tens, hundreds. So I have 2 in the ones. I'm trying to subtract 9. I cannot do that. So I need to decompose. 1, 10. You regroup for 10 ones. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now I need to show it on my equation. I had 2, now I have 1. I had 2, and now I have 12. 12 minus 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3. Now I have 1. I'm trying to subtract 8. If you have 1 and you don't have enough, remember, you're trying to subtract 8. You cannot do that, so you need to decompose again. 100. You regroup for 10 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now I have 1 in the hundreds, I have 0, and then I'm going to show my decomposing again. So now if I had that 1, which was right here, and then I decompose that 100 into the tens place, now I have 11. So you're going to cross this off and write 11 on the top. Sorry if you can't see that, okay? So you know what? Let me just rewrite that down here so you can see. So remember, I decomposed in that tens, and that made that 12, and then it's 3 after I subtracted the 9, and then I decomposed 100, so that would make this 0, and then I decomposed and I regrouped again, so up here the 1 gets changed to an 11. So see how you can see that you regroup twice right here, okay? So 11 minus 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, and then 0, so you don't write anything, so it's 33. Okay, so remember, you really have to pay attention. Whenever you decompose and regroup on your place value chart, you need to show that work over here in your equation. Okay, so let's do that one more time. This time you're going to have 117 minus 59. So you want to rewrite that vertically, making sure that you have everything lined up correctly. Okay, so you have 100, 110, 7 ones. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7. Okay, so now I subtract in the ones, tenths, hundreds. Okay, so I have 7. I'm trying to subtract 9. Cannot do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't have enough. 1, 10. You regroup for 10 ones. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Always checking to make sure you drew the correct amount of chips. So now I need to go over here before I even subtract. I have 1. I have 0 now. I had 7. Now I have 17. Okay? So 17 minus 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I have 0, and I'm trying to subtract 5. If you have 0, you cannot take anything away. There's nothing there to take away, right? And we can see in here, there's nothing in the tens place to cross off. We cannot take away 5, so we need to decompose again. 100, you regroup for 10 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the 1 you cross off and write a 0. Remember, before you even subtract that 5, you need to show your decomposing and your regrouping on your equation. The 0 gets changed to 10 because I didn't have anything there, and then I regroup that group of 10 tens right there. So that becomes 10. So now I can subtract 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 5 and 5 make 10, right? So our answer is 55. Okay, so today you really need to pay attention to what's in your place value chart. Once you regroup here, before you subtract, you need to show your regrouping on your equation right there. Okay? It's the main focus for today. So now on your problem set, you're on lesson 25 problem set. So solve the following problems using the vertical form, your place value chart, and place value discs. You can use chips today because they're a little bit quicker and more efficient. Unbundle a 10 or 100 when necessary. Show your work for each problem. So in the boxes, it's very small, so you're going to try to write as small as possible. Okay? I would definitely leave a little space right here before you leave a little space because you might be decomposing, so you want to leave some space for yourself to write. And then you want to write your place value chart over here kind of small. Okay? So 7 tens. Subtract 9. You cannot do that. Regroup. So see how I even might not have enough space, so you got to draw really small. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you can subtract 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Which, oops, now I made a mistake. I made a mistake. I'm so sorry. Remember, everyone makes mistakes. I didn't show my regrouping. So let me backtrack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I forgot to write my regrouping over here, and I'm so sorry. At least I caught myself. Okay, so remember, once you regroup, you need to regroup over here. 7 becomes 6, 2 becomes 12. Now I can subtract. So we're left with 3, and then subtract 4. That's 2. Okay, 6 minus 4 is 2. So our answer is 23. Okay, so you want to draw that place value chart and the vertical equation in the box. Try to draw as small as possible. Okay, and then on the back, same thing. There's 2 word problems. You need to read it and show your work. Use RDWW. You want to use your vertical equation, and you want to show your work probably using a place value chart. All right, good luck.